Hi guys, it's me, Joseph. You probably have noticed that we have a background. Yeah, it's kind of flopping down, but well, this is not what we're doing. So, 8 to 18 and up. Family Guy playing back. So I'm sure you get this. So this code is for 18 to 14. So let's get opening. So we can get Stewie, Peter, Ryan, Peter's wife, Peter's son, and the daughter. So let's go. Head. I think this one is, it's either Peter or Peter's son. Let's see. Record me trying to find some food. Okay, I found them. So let's open bag one. Ryan! We got Ryan. So here's Ryan. Back two. I kind of want to get Stewie. This one feels a lot like Peter. Oh, it's going to come out. See? Hey, it's Peter's son. I said it felt a lot like Peter. Because when I say a lot like, it means it feels exactly like it, but not actually. Because the same thing is that they are both fat. Yeah. Peter and his son, which I got, they're both fat, so it's kind of hard to tell who's who. But I really want to get Stewie. We already got one I wanted, Ryan. So we need Stewie to I think this is Stewie. I think it is. Oh! Wah, wah, wah. We got a duplicate. Oh, yeah, you guys can be friends. Okay, you didn't like that. You said, where are they? Probably shouldn't have. So you. Okay. Are you kidding? He's probably the most common one. So, we got 3 of these idiots. So, I forgot. I didn't really have these. So, what we can get. So, in the series, So Peter's 1, 2, there's 3 of those, 4 of them, 5 of Stewie, and 6 Ryans. So we're kind of lucky, but we're going to go to the Dollar Tree, so we're going to see who is who, and then we're probably not bringing them because they may think we stole them. But what we're going to do, we're going to have a big fight. You ready? Fight! Fight! Dun, 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 dun. He's out. Okay, bye guys. Hope you have a good video. Wait, let them say, don't cut the video. Bye, little. Bye guys.